Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of russet potatoes, some thick-cut bacon, and fresh aromatics like onion and garlic. These foundational elements are crucial for developing a deep, satisfying flavor that truly elevates the soup. We'll focus on building layers of taste from the very beginning to ensure every spoonful is delicious. Let's start by rendering about 6 slices of bacon in a large pot until it's perfectly crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving that flavorful fat behind. In that same pot, sauté 1 cup of diced onion, 1/2 cup of celery, and 2 cloves of minced garlic until softened. This step creates a fragrant base. Then, deglaze the pot with 1 cup of chicken broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Now, add your 2 pounds of peeled and diced russet potatoes to the pot. Pour in enough chicken broth to just cover the potatoes, usually around 4 to 5 cups. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook until the potatoes are fork tender, which typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes. For a thicker, creamier soup, use a potato masher to gently crush about 1/3 of the cooked potatoes directly in the pot. Finally, remove the pot from the heat and stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese until melted and smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Ladle your rich, creamy potato soup into bowls, garnishing with the crispy bacon you set aside earlier and some fresh chives. It's truly the best. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade comfort in a bowl.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.